Not every piece of backpacking gear has to be ultralight. Sometimes comfort, durability, and reliability are worth carrying. In this episode, I'm sharing 5 pieces of backpacking gear that have earned permanent spots in my backpack. Some are expensive, some cost a little more. Everyone has proven itself during real trips into the backcountry while pursuing landscape photography. These are not gimmicks. These are items that consistently make life on the trail and in camp better. Five backpacking upgrades that earn their weight. These are things that you can do that won't break the bank. They're not luxury items, but they're just useful. I won't belabor it too long, but hear me out. Number one is my Nilo Fume pack liner. I keep this stored. Let me start again. Most backpacks come with a rain cover. But as we are in the middle of summer 2026 and going into the fall and the winter, I keep this in my bag. The cost is about the size or about the amount of a latte at your coffee shop. My one bag, I have a 70 liter and a 65 liter. This will fit all of my gear. This pack liner costs next to nothing relative to the performance that it gives if you're caught in the rain during your trek and your backpacking experience. Small investment, ginormous returns. I don't want water to get to my gear. I don't want to cross the stream and become a YouTube video when I fall in the water with my pack on without having that pack liner. Most of the bags say they're water resistant. An $8 purchase will save you the headache. So a Nilo Fume pack liner, the links will be in the description below where I've got them from, but it's a useful upgrade that doesn't break the bank. Next up, we have a simple repair kit. I got this from Gear Aid. Again, all the links of the products that I'm talking or speaking about are in the description. And this came in this tin can. I did add something to it. This is a repair kit for your tent, your sleeping mat, your sleeping pad when it can get a puncture, your down jacket. So in this kit, it has seam sealer if you're caught in the rain with your tent. It has patches for your tent, for your sleeping mat, for your down jacket. I also have some mesh patches in here if something happens to the mesh. I don't want mosquitoes coming in. But a simple purchase lives in a pocket in my backpack. I don't need it always, but when I do, I'll be glad that I have it. Gear Aid repair kit. Okay, let's try this one. This is a good one. This is a NEMO. I've got notes over here. NEMO chipper. It costs about $20. It is not the same size as the pad that I use underneath my sleeping mat because I put a lot of investment in my sleeping mat, so I use the full size ones. Some people don't, say it's not necessary. I don't want a puncture. This is much smaller. I don't have to unpack my bag, and it's a sit pad. It's also, for me now, a knee pad. When I'm arranging things in my tent and I'm on my knees, I put this under my knees. But if I need to stop, eat my lunch, take a break when I'm in the backcountry in the Eastern Sierras, which I'm not far from, I can easily carry this and sit on it and not hurt my butt. A small purchase goes a long way. But wait, there's more. That was my first sitting mat. And then I saw something on Gossamer Gear. I apologize. Sometimes I don't like to spend a lot of money on gear, but I am mildly gear obsessed. In the photography world, which is where I come from primarily, we call it gas. Might be the same in the hiking world. Gear acquisition syndrome. We want the latest and greatest. I don't want the latest and greatest, but I do have too many of things that don't cost that much money, and I shouldn't have that many things. We'll talk about my camp pillows on a later date, but I have way too many because I have not found the camp pillow that I'm in love with yet. But needless that I digress, let's get back on point. So you saw the NEMO chipper, very nice, very compact, but Gossamer Gear got me with this sit pad, another sit pad. I can utilize two because when my shorty goes camping with me, she'll have one too. But in the meantime, as I speak to you, this is from Gossamer Gear. Link is in the description again. And would you look at this? Nice, soft, compact, lives in my bag. I'll have to forget it's there because it just hides nicely. It's lightweight, it weighs ounces, not that expensive. And again, would you look at this? They actually did it. They actually made a sit pad that's compact. I can't believe it. But this is an upgrade. It doesn't take much room. It doesn't cost that much. But your butt will thank you. Last but not least, this is a luxury item. It is. But listen, backpacking on a budget. I didn't pay the $180 that you might pay for this item. This is my NEMO Moonlite Elite chair. It's light. I put it on the side of my bag, and when I get to camp, I have an actual chair to sit on. I found it at REI. There's an outlet store, and it was less than $100. That's how I roll. I'm looking for the deal. This is a luxury item, but my ultralight backpackers, most of them would not carry a chair. I want to be light in my pack. My very first pack, my very first adventure going out to the Eastern Sierras, my pack was 50 plus pounds. Yes, it was. Currently, without food and water, it is 26.6. So thankful. But I'm not trying to break the bank. I got this for less than $100. It was brand new. Somebody bought it, returned it. I came in the store at the right time. You can find the deal, but this is my NEMO Moonlite Elite chair. This is an upgrade worth having. It's a huge investment sometimes, but few cups of coffee and a little savings will go a long way to accomplish that task. So 5 backpacking items, the upgrades that are worth it. There you have it. Check the links in the description. Tell me what your upgraded item is. Put it in the comments. Let me know how you're feeling about this series. And don't forget to like and share with a fellow backpacker, hiker. And I'll see you next time.